This is an interactive multiplication activity. The first part is multiplication through repeated addition, and the second part is multiplication with building arrays. So, put this on to full screen, and I'm going to roll the 10-sided dice. So 6. I'm actually going to go back to this screen so that I can switch between. So I'm going to add the number 6 3 times. And then the hundreds chart can be used to add 6. So count 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, plus 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, plus 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 6 plus 6 plus 6 is 18. And then the same can be done for the next two repeated addition problems down here. Now this is multiplication through building arrays. So for this one, we'll do the first one 3 times 4. So this math tile is on an infinite cloner. So I'm going to make 3 rows of 4. And now I'm going to count the number of tiles. 3 rows of 4 for 3 times 4. So 3 times 4 is 12. So we can, I think I'm going to stick with writing. But the answer can be typed in there too. And now we can check the answer. Oops, didn't work. All right, sometimes the audio is muffled, but it did just say 12. And that's my multiplication activity.